So when we look at these component and assembly manufacturers, we find that their position in the supply chain is a difficult one. The reason why is because they're stuck right in the middle between the producers of the materials and the people who need the information about those materials. So you're almost like an information broker, right? Now, it's very difficult to show compliance to a regulation that doesn't even apply to you. For example, the EU RoHS directive does not apply to components like ICs and resistors. However, it does apply to the products that they're embedded into. So those resistors and ICs have to be compliant by nature, even though they have no regulatory obligation to be compliant, right? So what that means is that since the regulations don't apply to us as component manufacturers, what that means is that we need to figure out what our requirements are by figuring out what our customers' requirements are, and not just one of our customers, for example, not just the guys who are using our resistors or ICs in the iPhones, but if we want to sell those to the automotive market, if we want to sell those to the medical market, if we want to sell those to any other markets, then we have to make sure we're able to assist those companies in meeting their obligations. So what does that look like? I mean, how do we even do that?
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.